Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to search a word in Excel. Friends, there are many ways to search a word in your Excel sheet. Like you can simply press Ctrl F on your keyboard and here you can enter the word you are searching for. Like for example, I search for PowerPoint. Now you can search find next if you want to search one by one, or if you want to see all the search result, then you simply need to click find all. Now here it will show all the cells having PowerPoint. You can simply go by clicking here one by one. In the background you can see it is selecting the cell in which the PowerPoint is written. Also you can select all these cells from here. By selecting here, you can select all the cells having written PowerPoint. Now we will click on close and here you will see all the cells are selected. Now like this, the other way of searching column wise, for that you simply need to click anywhere on the sheet and click on home. In home you need to click on sort and filter and here click on filter. Now small arrows appears on the title of each column. Click on this small arrows and here you need to click on text filters. In text filters click on contains. Now enter the word you are searching for. I have entered PowerPoint and click on OK. Now it will show the result of all the rows having written PowerPoint. Now like this, if you want to search in title 2 and title 3, then you need to repeat the same process. So friends, with the help of find feature and filter feature, you can search a word in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.